In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely connect Slack to MoltBot. MoltBot, formerly known as ClawdBot or OpenClaw, is an open source personal AI assistant that can run on your local machine or in a private cloud environment. One of its most useful features is the ability to connect the same AI brain to multiple communication channels, including Slack. In this setup, we'll use socket mode, which creates a secure connection back to your local machine without needing to expose a public webhook. Before you begin, make sure you have workspace admin or workspace owner permissions in Slack, because you'll need permission to install and configure a custom app. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Slack developer dashboard at api.slack.com/apps. From there, click the green button to create a new app. Choose the option to build it from scratch and then enter a name for your app, such as MoltBot. After that, select the Slack workspace where you want the bot to live and create the app. Once the app is created, go to the left-hand sidebar, open the settings section, and click socket mode. Turn socket mode on. Slack will immediately prompt you to generate an app level token. Give that token a simple label so you can recognize it later. Then add the connection's right scope, generate the token, and copy it somewhere secure. This token usually begins with XApp, and you'll need it later, so keep it private. Next, go to OAuth and permissions in the features area. Scroll down to the bot token scopes section and add the permissions MoltBot needs to function correctly. These include app mention so it can respond when tagged, chat right so it can send messages, direct message history, and read access so it can work in one-on-one conversations, and channel history so it can interact in public channels. These permissions define exactly what your bot can see and do, so it's important to add only what's required. After that, open event subscriptions from the sidebar and enable events. In the bot events section, add app mention and message.im. These events tell Slack when to notify your bot, such as when someone mentions it in a channel or sends it a direct message. Save your changes before leaving the page. Now install the app to your workspace. Open the Install App section, choose Install to Workspace, and approve the authorization screen. When the installation finishes, Slack will generate a bot user OAuth token. Copy that token and store it securely as well. This one typically begins with XOXB. Finally, open your terminal on your computer and make sure your local MoltBot environment is initialized by running the onboarding command shown in your setup instructions. At this point, you'll have the 2 required tokens ready to place into your MoltBot configuration so the live Slack connection can be established securely.